In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your social media accounts to Squarespace. By the end, your site will display clean, clickable icons that take visitors straight to your profiles. This is quick to set up, and you only have to do it once. Start by opening your Squarespace site and heading to your website's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're inside the one you want to update so the changes appear in the right place. From the main website view, open your site's settings. You'll see a panel with options that affect how your site behaves. We're going into the area that controls links and profiles, so continue into the website settings. Inside website settings, look for the option labeled Add and Manage Social Media and Email Links. This is the social links section. It's where you add the URLs for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, and more. When you add a valid profile URL, Squarespace automatically recognizes the platform and assigns the correct icon for you. On the Social Links page, click the Add Link button. This opens a small window where you'll create the connection. If you don't see the button right away, it's usually at the top or bottom of the list, and it may appear as a plus sign. In the link details, type the full URL to your social profile. For best results, paste the entire address, including HTTPS, like https://instagram.com/yourprofile. Using the full URL helps Squarespace detect the right service and prevents broken links. If your platform uses a region-specific domain, paste that exact domain. Before saving, confirm the link type is set to website. This tells Squarespace you're adding a standard web address rather than something like a file or an email action. With website selected, your profile URL will open in a new tab for visitors. Now save your changes. You'll see your new link appear in the list, and Squarespace will show the corresponding icon next to it. Repeat the add link process for each social account you want to display. As you add more, keep your branding consistent. Most sites include only the platforms they actively maintain. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If an icon doesn't show as expected, double-check the URL for typos and make sure you're linking to a public profile. Icon placement, header, footer, or both, depends on your site's template and design settings, so your new icons may appear automatically where your template supports them. That's it. Your social media